how to fix USB drive not showing on Windows. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, if I launch my File Explorer and I go to this PC, I've inserted my USB drive, but it is not showing up in this File Explorer. Now if I remove it, then I insert it again, you see it is not showing up. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, you need to go to you'll minimize this, then you'll go to your taskbar, then go to search and click on search, then search for CMD, then come and click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Then this terminal will pop up on your screen. So you are going to write disk part, then press on enter. Then we have entered this part, so write list disk. So you'll be able to see the list of your disks that are in your computer. So disk 0, this is my hard drive, and disk 1, this is my now USB flash, the pen drive. So I'm going to select this one in order to work on it. So I'll write select disk 1, then press on enter. I'm going to clean this disk. So ensure that if there's anything important in your disk, you need to remove it. But for this process, I'm going to clean up this. So as you can see, this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now if you go back to your File Explorer again, then if you refresh, still it does not show in your File Explorer. So you will close this one, then you will exit this part, then exit. Then now you will come to your taskbar, then right click on your Windows icon, then go to disk management. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. You'll be able to see your USB. Just right click on it, then new volume, then next, then next, then next, then next, then finish. Now it is now showing and you can access it. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to fix USB not showing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.